Hello, my name is Phil Disicone, Assistant Instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Today we're going to look at the vertical back fist. It's a skill we use in the pattern Chulgi. But I'm going to do this from, instead of doing it in a sitting stance like the Chulgi, we're going to do it in a front stance. So I'm going to start off getting into a good front stance. So a good front stance is a long and wide stance, okay? Like so. It's not like a back stance. This is a front stance. The front knee is bent. Back leg is straight. Toes point to the front. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to chamber our striking arm on top of our shoulder. So I'm going to do it with my left arm. And what we're going to focus on is striking with the back of the fist, okay? Right here, the two big knuckles. So as it's coming across, you want to focus on striking there. Making sure your wrist is straight, striking with the two big knuckles of your back of your hand. Make sure you have a nice tight fist, thumb over like so, and nice and tight. Okay, so I'm going to chamber on top of my shoulder, like so, fist facing outward. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to twist a little bit. I'm going to come around over the top, and I'm going to come straight down and strike like so. Okay, the target for this on a person would be actually the face or the collarbone. So those are the two areas that you would actually use this vertical back fist for. So I'm going to chamber my left arm on top, fist facing outward. I'm going to twist a little bit, and then I'm going to come straight down on top of my target, just like so. So I'm going to twist, come down like so, retracting my other hand to my waist. Okay, like this, I'm going to try it from a side angle. Okay, get back to a front stance. Okay, I also want to make sure you're keeping your back straight. You don't want to have to lean into it. You want to be able to keep your back straight as you're doing the skill. Okay, so I'm going to twist, come straight down like so, focusing on striking with the back, two big knuckles of my back of my hand, like so. Okay, I'm going to have Mr. Booker come in and assist. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to touch and push to start off, just to make sure, so you can focus on touching with the two big knuckles of your hand. Okay, so you don't want to hit with the other part of your hand, you want to just hit with that part. Okay, so come across, like so. Touch and push. Touch and push. Touch and push. One more time. Okay, now I'm going to strike a little bit harder. So. Just like that. Thank you, Mr. Booker. Okay, so the important thing to remember on this skill is striking with the back of make sure your fist is nice and tight. Striking with the back of your two big knuckles of your hand, coming straight down onto your target, like so. And that is the vertical back fist skill.